Hello everyone and welcome. Thank you for joining me for this deep dive into one of nature's most perfect foods, fruit. My name is Mr. David Carter, and for the next hour, we're going to move beyond the basic idea that fruit is healthy and explore the why and the how. Lately, fruit has gotten a bad reputation in some circles. People see the word sugar and panic. But today, I want to reframe that thinking entirely. I want you to stop thinking of fruit as a sugary snack and start thinking of it as a nutritional package, a powerful bundle of medicine delivered by nature. The key takeaway from our first segment is this: the sugar in whole fruit is not the same as added sugar. When you eat a piece of fruit, you are not just consuming fructose. You are consuming a complex matrix of dietary fiber, water, vitamins, minerals, and potent plant compounds called phytochemicals. This fiber matrix slows down digestion, prevents blood sugar spikes, and feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. It's a completely different biological process from drinking a sugar-sweetened soda. So let's begin our journey by putting that fear to rest. Fruit is not the enemy. It's one of our greatest allies for long-term health. Now let's talk about the most beautiful aspect of fruit: its color. The vibrant reds, deep purples, bright oranges, and lush greens are not just for show. They are visual indicators of specific health-promoting compounds. The simplest health advice I can give you is to eat the rainbow. Blue and purple, berries, plums, figs. These fruits get their color from anthocyanins. Think of blueberries, blackberries, and Concord grapes. These compounds are powerful antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier, helping to protect your brain from oxidative stress and supporting memory and cognition. They are also fantastic for heart health. Red, strawberries, watermelon, raspberries, pomegranate. The color here often comes from lycopene and ellagic acid. Lycopene, abundant in watermelon and tomatoes, is strongly linked to prostate and heart health. Strawberries and raspberries provide vitamin C and ellagic acid, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Orange and yellow, oranges, mangoes, pineapple, cantaloupe. These are your prime sources of beta-carotene and vitamin C beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, is essential for eye health, immune function, and skin integrity. Vitamin C is crucial for immune support, collagen production, and wound healing. Pineapple also gives us bromelain, a digestive enzyme. Green, avocado, kiwi, green apples, green grapes. Green fruits often contain lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health, and vitamin K for blood clotting and bones. Kiwi is a hidden gem packed with more vitamin C than an orange and a digestive enzyme called actinidin. And of course, avocado, with its healthy monounsaturated fats, helps you absorb all the fat-soluble vitamins from the other colorful fruits and vegetables you eat. Let's get more specific. How can you use fruit to target particular health goals? For digestive health, your top picks should be high-fiber fruits. Apples, with their pectin, pears, and raspberries, one of the highest fiber fruits, are excellent. But don't forget kiwi. Studies have shown that kiwi can be as effective as some over-the-counter solutions for promoting regular bowel movements due to its unique combination of fiber and enzymes. For heart health, here we look for fruits high in potassium, fiber, and specific antioxidants. Bananas are famous for potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Berries, with their anthocyanins, improve the flexibility of arteries and reduce blood pressure. Pomegranates have been shown in studies to help reduce arterial plaque buildup. For an immune boost, while all fruits contribute, citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are the classics for vitamin C, but let me introduce you to a champion: guava. A single guava can contain over 200% of your daily vitamin C needs. It's a true powerhouse. For sustainable energy, this is where the banana shines again. It provides a perfect mix of quick-release and slow-release carbohydrates, along with potassium to prevent muscle cramps, making it the perfect pre- or post-workout snack. Knowing what to eat is one thing. Knowing how to eat it is another. Let's get practical. How to incorporate more fruit. The smoothie, a great way to combine multiple fruits and vegetables. But remember, keep the fiber, don't just juice, blend the whole fruit. The fruit bowl. Keep a beautiful bowl of washed, ready-to-eat fruit on your counter. You're far more likely to grab an apple or a handful of grapes if it's less visible and convenient. As a sweetener, Mash a banana or use unsweetened applesauce to naturally sweeten your oatmeal or baked goods instead of using refined sugar. Now, let's bust a few more myths. Myth: you shouldn't eat fruit after a meal. Fact: there's no scientific basis for this. Your digestive system is perfectly capable of handling fruit at any time of day. Myth: diabetics cannot eat fruit. Fact: most diabetics can and should eat whole fruit. The key is portion control and pairing it with a source of protein or fat, like a handful of nuts, to further stabilize blood sugar. Myth: fresh is always better than frozen. Fact: frozen fruit is often flash-picked at peak ripeness and can be more nutrient-dense than fresh fruit that has traveled long distances and sat on a shelf. It's also more cost-effective and reduces food waste. So, where does this leave us? We've seen that fruit is not a simple sugar, but a complex, colorful, and powerful tool for health. From protecting our brains and hearts to aiding our digestion and immune systems, the benefits are overwhelming. The fear of fruit sugar is a distraction from the real public health crisis, which is the overconsumption of added sugars in processed foods and drinks. Therefore, I leave you with a challenge, the Rainbow Challenge. For the next week, I want you to consciously try to eat 3 different colored fruits every single day. Notice how you feel. Do you have more energy? Is your digestion better? Thank you for your time and for investing in your health. Remember, true health doesn't come from a pill. It often comes from the vibrant, delicious, and powerful foods that nature has provided for us in the fruit pharmacy. Have a fruitful day.